Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to firmware update your Canon 5D Mark IV. So let's just jump into it. For the firmware update, you need a laptop, SD card or CF Express card and your camera. First of all, what you'll do is you'll put your card in your camera and you will format that. So to format the card, I will turn it on. I will go to menu by pressing the menu button, and then in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this wrench icon. And on the wrench icon, in the first tab, you can see format card option. So I will say format. I will select it, say 1, and then I will say OK. Now the card is being formatted. Now once you're done with formatting the card, you need to download the firmware from Canon website. So let me just show you how you can download that. So to download the firmware version, guys, you need to go on your Safari or Google, whatever you have. I am using Mac, you can use Windows as well. So here I'm gonna simply search Canon 5D Mark IV firmware update and I'll open it. I am in Emirates for now. I'm in Dubai, so I'm going for Emirates. You have to go with your region wherever you are. You can say Middle East as well or anything. So I will say Emirates. I will click on this and it will open a page like this in front of you, and here you have Canon EOS 5D Mark IV and then you have the firmware here. So I'll click on this. You have the one for Windows and the one for Mac and version 1.5. So I will download this one. I will say download, allow. So now once I'm downloaded, I am here and you can see I have this DMG file. I'll have to extract this. So what I will do is I will go to my downloads and this is the file. I will double click on this and then you have this FIR file. So this firmware file is the one which you will have to copy, and then you have the procedure as well in case you want to read this. I don't need to read this, so I'll just copy this file. I'll connect my card now and I'll copy that in that. So let me just put the card on. I just plug my card in. And now what I will do is you can see my card is here now. I'll open it. I will not go in any folder. I will just paste it on the root structure. So I will say Command V. And there you go. I have it here. Don't put it in any of the folders. Now I will simply eject my card. Once we are done with putting the firmware file on the card, we will just take the card, put back in the camera. And then again, we will go to menu. The card back in, I will just turn on the camera. I will go to menu. And once I'm in menus, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the wrench icon on top. And I will go till the end here. So you have the firmware version 1.2. I will click on this. And then it's saying current firmware is 1.2. You want to update the firmware? I will say OK. Now it will start updating the firmware. And once it's doing that, make sure that you don't touch any of the buttons, and before you start that, your battery will be full. I will wait for it till it's gonna load and firmware update. It will turn off. There you go. Please select the new firmware version. So it have detected the firmware version now. I will say OK. 1.2.1 to 1.5, yes. And it's saying warning, do not turn off the power switch or touch any of the buttons. And it will show you from 1% to 100%. So 1% is done now, 2%. So it's gonna take like 4 to 5 minutes and then it will be done. Now guys, you can see my firmware update is complete. I will say OK. And now it's gonna do the sensor cleaning. It will turn off and turn on now. And if I go to menu again now, you can see my firmware version is 1.5.0. So this is how easy it is to firmware update Canon 5D Mark IV. In case you're having any complications or any questions regarding firmware updating your Canon 5D Mark IV, please put that in the comments and I'll make sure that I reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.